spirit of procrastination has been. Oh, God, the introduction. Oh. Hello, beautiful people of God. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe. Beautiful people, hello, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. My name is Okeoghene, and I'm a Nigerian-based fashion designer. I make clothes for women, strictly women, and I'm from Delta State, Isoko precisely. I graduated from the University of Port Harcourt. wait, let me sing. Unique, 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 uniform, unique, 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 uniform. I guess this song, every University of Port Harcourt student graduated or studying, they will understand. They're gonna understand this. And if you're about to go to University of Port Harcourt, watch this and learn the song. Yeah. So this my channel, I'll be sharing see to talk like I don't even know what to say, but I'll just be simple and short. I try as much as possible to be simple. I don't know what to say, but this my channel, I'll be sharing sewing classes, sewing tips, DIY, fashion, lifestyle. What I mean by sewing classes, I'll be showing you how to make a skirt, bodice, gown, trousers, jackets, whatever, name it, breast tube, bustier, whatever you call it, corset, wedding dresses on this channel. That's what I'll be making. What again? What again? Yeah, also be sharing fashion tips, like business tips, exactly, for people that want to start their brand, people that have issues with accounting for their brand, auditing. Yeah, I'm going to share it here. Yes, free of charge. Anyway, thank you for watching this video.